Exams are more than just tests of knowledge. They are opportunities to showcase your ability to think critically and express yourself effectively. Narrative writing stands out as a powerful tool in your exam arsenal. Why? Because stories resonate. They have the power to transport the reader, to evoke emotions, and to leave a lasting impression. A well-crafted narrative can transform a dry, factual response into an engaging and memorable piece of writing. Mastering narrative writing is about understanding the elements of a good story and how to use them effectively. It's about creating characters that leap off the page, settings that come alive, and plots that keep readers on the edge of their seats. Think back to the last book you couldn't put down, or the movie that stayed with you long after the credits rolled. So, how do you harness the power of storytelling in your exams? Let's dive into the essential elements of crafting a compelling narrative. Every compelling narrative is built upon a foundation of key elements: structure, characters, and setting. These elements work in harmony to create a believable and engaging world for your reader. Structure provides the framework upon which your story is built. It dictates the flow of events, creating anticipation and guiding the reader through your narrative. A common and effective structure is the traditional linear format, which unfolds chronologically. This structure typically includes an exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. Characters are the heart of your story. They populate your narrative, drive the plot, and elicit emotional responses from your reader. Creating believable and relatable characters is essential for engaging your audience. Setting provides the backdrop for your story, influencing the mood, atmosphere, and even the actions of your characters. By carefully considering and developing each of these elements, you lay the groundwork for a captivating narrative. In storytelling, first impressions are paramount. Your opening sentence, paragraph, or scene is your chance to grab the reader's attention. Think of it as casting a fishing line. Your hook needs to be enticing enough to reel them in. Consider starting with a thought-provoking question, a startling statement, or a vivid description that immerses the reader. A strong hook sparks the reader's imagination and leaves them wanting more. A well-crafted story is more than just a sequence of events. It's a vibrant tapestry woven with vivid descriptions. By using descriptive language effectively, you can create a truly immersive experience for your reader. When describing characters, focus on details that reveal their personality, emotions, and motivations. Instead of simply stating their physical attributes, use language that paints a picture in the reader's mind. Similarly, when describing settings, go beyond merely listing physical characteristics. Use sensory details to create an atmosphere and evoke emotions. Remember, the key to crafting compelling descriptions is to show, not tell, allowing the reader to experience your story firsthand. The plot is the backbone of your narrative, the sequence of events that drives your story forward. A well-structured plot is essential for maintaining reader engagement and creating a satisfying narrative arc. Most compelling plots follow a similar trajectory, moving through distinct stages: rising action, climax, and resolution. The rising action encompasses the events that build tension and lead to the climax of your story. This is where you introduce conflicts, develop your characters, and raise the stakes. Each event should build upon the previous one, creating a sense of momentum. The climax is the turning point of your story, the moment of greatest tension or conflict. The resolution ties up loose ends and provides a sense of closure. It addresses the aftermath of the climax, showing how the characters have been changed. A well-structured plot should have its ups and downs, twists and turns, but ultimately, it should leave the reader feeling satisfied. Dialogue is a powerful tool in narrative writing, allowing you to reveal character, advance the plot, and create a sense of realism. Well-written dialogue should sound natural and authentic, reflecting the way people actually speak. Each character should have a distinct voice and manner of speaking that reflects their personality and background. Use dialogue to reveal information about your characters, their relationships, and the world they inhabit. By mastering the art of writing realistic and compelling dialogue, you can bring your characters to life and create a truly immersive reading experience. Now that we've explored the rhythm of dialogue, let's put all the elements of storytelling into practice with a narrative writing prompt. This exercise will help you apply what you've learned and unlock your creativity. Prompt: write a short story about a character who discovers a hidden talent they never knew they had. Describe the moment of discovery and how it changes their life. Example. Answer: once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young girl named Lily. She always felt ordinary, until one day, while helping her mother in the garden, she discovered she could communicate with plants. The flowers whispered secrets of the earth, and the trees shared stories of the past. This newfound ability transformed Lily's life, making her the village's most cherished healer and storyteller. Her garden became a sanctuary where people came to find solace and wisdom, and Lily finally realized that her hidden talent was a gift meant to be shared with the world. Take a moment to think about your own story. What hidden talents could your character uncover? How would this discovery change their life? Use the techniques we've discussed to craft a compelling narrative that captures the essence of your character's journey. Remember, the power of storytelling lies in the details and the emotions you evoke. Happy writing!